Yeah, just ordered some Chinese food. It used to cost like $12 to $15. Cost almost $30 for 2 dinners. Unreal. But enough about the Chinese food. I'm here to show you guys how to do this.
Go get your money.
Hold on. Alright, so it's not complicated. I'm just going to show you how to do it and what I did. And, I mean, this took a lot of time. It was, what, like 7 days? It took me like 6 days. I got this, which was pretty cool. The only one I don't think I'm going to be able to finish is this one. This is like almost impossible to get. It's ridiculous. Okay. This one was a little tough too, but I got it. Oh, that was an easy one. This one I'll get when I finish all the stuff. This one's sort of tough, but it's all I got to do is go into here. That'll be sweet. Let me do this quick. We'll come back to it. Buenos dias. Once I figured this out, it was pretty much easy. All right. I gotta be careful. I think this one here, when it turns to 70, it changes. Yeah, it does. Alright, good. We have those. Alright, good. What did you give me? Extra? When I first started this, I was getting these out, and I was doing pretty good with it, but it got to the point where I knew I was going to need more, and this is saving you an extra 500. every single time. So just don't do too many. Do them 1, 2, 3, 4 at a time at the most. That way. Oh, cool. We got 3 hooks and a Hurarian sword. Anyways, you can do it this way too. Makes it quicker than going through the those things. Where the heck is she? Where the heck did she go? There she is. So, here you go. Boom. It doesn't really matter how many after this because no matter what you do, no matter what, you'll already be at 80. So they got to 74. That's crazy. Kind of sucks because as you're getting closer, they're only 2s instead of 2s and 4s. All right. Over here. Nope, here. But that's about the size of it. Do this a bunch of times till you get enough, and you're going to get it. It's this one or this one? Oh, wow.
Hi, tonight. 26, huh?
There you go. You're fine.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Take care. Why did they come so fast? Oh my God, that's crazy. They said 40, 50 minutes. It took them like not even 20 minutes. Maybe they thought it was a far drive. I told them it was right up the road.
Yep, they're 10.95, 10.35 $15 now.
What'd you say?
They're 10.35.
The dinners. So then it's like a $6 egg roll.
The egg roll was $1.95.
Well, then it was a $4 service charge for coming out.
Okay.
You said $10.95, right?
Comes to $22.65, tax $1.36.
So it was like $4 for a service charge.
$2 delivery. We paid all that freaking money.
No.
And they charge you $2.50.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm doing a video and you're bitching about food.
To charge food.
But like, I knew they were gonna charge maybe $1 or $2 or something, but
$2.50.
they charged like $4 for an egg roll. Way over 80, so we're good. That's crazy. They made out like bandits because we gave them a $4 tip too.
Yeah, $3.50.
Jesus, the food was like less than $22, and they got $30.
Yeah. See, that's why I asked.
I guess it's because of inflation, right? COVID. Well, let's make up excuses. Let's make excuses up to sell products for twice as much when they're the same thing.
All right, so this one's no good.
All right, so anyway, all right, so now once I start clicking on these, this will go up to 38. This here, I'm going to start working on it, but that might take a while. And let's see here, we got about 2 hours. 2 hours and 9 minutes. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. I just got it up to 5. I mean, it was stuck on 4 forever. And I got it up to 5 today. So basically, she looks like this. Oh, she's finally up with the red people. It was funny. For the longest time, I would click, and it'd be like yellow, 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 yellow. She was like here, red. She kept moving up, red. Like she was right here for a while. Then she jumped these 3 guys. She was red right in the middle. It was funny. She was at like 5,000 like 2 days ago. Look at this. I bashed her up to 61,000 already. Let's see here. Wow. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my Lord. The artifact coins are over 200,000. Clark will be jumping over. That's if I have enough chaos cores left. Let's see it. Did he jump over? Yes, he did. That's funny. I'm building the boat up, so now he's ahead of her. Wow, he jumped ahead of Arachne, too. Oh, my God. All right. What do I need to do? What was I doing? Essence chests. Another thing you can do is you can open these and get the 2 gold ones and get a lot for that thing I was just doing. My God. Yeah, see, this is what I'm saying. Like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. Like, I've been doing this, look. And then whoever doesn't have any, or a few of them I've been giving them. Then you go to here, and you go to here, and then you just... Like I did this about 3-4 hours ago, right after work, look. I only have 19.